graphics card is not just a piece of plastic with a fan. Inside, it's a mini supercomputer with dozens of parts working together to make your games run, your videos render, and your software fly. Today, I'm breaking down every single GPU part. GPU chip. What it does, handles all the graphics math. The stronger the chip, the more frames per second you get in games and the faster renders in video editing. It's the single biggest factor for performance. What they do, thousands of tiny workers building your game image pixel by pixel. In games, more cores equals smoother gameplay and better graphics. In editing softwares, it speeds up rendering, effects, and 3D modeling. VRAM. What it does, stores textures, models, and video frames. In games more VRAM equals higher resolutions, 1080p, 1440p, 4K, and ultra textures without stutter. In video editing, 4K per 8K video, big projects, and effects. If VRAM runs out, your system slows down hard. Clock speed. What it does, controls how fast the GPU brain thinks. In games, higher clock speed equals higher FPS. In video editing, faster processing of frames and effects. Ray tracing cores. What they do, handle realistic light, shadows, and reflections. In games, makes reflections in water, glass, and metal look real, but can lower FPS unless paired with AI help, DLSS. In video editing, not super important unless you're doing 3D work with realistic lighting. Tensor cores. What they do, use AI for graphics tricks. Games, run DLSS or FSR, meaning you can get higher FPS with less GPU load. Editing, used for AI tasks like upscaling, noise reduction, and video enhancing. PCIe connector. What it does, connects GPU to motherboard. In performance, PCIe 4.0/5.0 equals faster data transfer. Important for high-end GPUs in editing large video files. Display outputs. What they do, connect GPU to monitor. Newer ports, like HDMI 2.1, DP 2.1, equals more supported higher refresh rates and resolutions. Power watts. How much electricity GPU uses. More watts usually equals more performance. High watts equals more heat plus more fan noise. Note, weak power supply equals GPU won't run properly. GDDR versions. GDDR5 equals older, slower. GDDR6 equals faster, common now. GDDR6X equals even faster, high-end.